everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Bsubseach swimsuit cover-up is a stunning and classic way to cover up your bathing suit at the pool or at the beach. It's light and airy and comfortable, and it's just so flattering because it goes to just above the knee and it's a little bit longer in the back. I'm 5'10" and a size 12, and it fits me so nicely. It has nice side slits, so it's easy and comfortable to walk in. The sleeves are long, so you can cover up from the sun, or if you prefer, you can fold them back. I love the texture of the material because it's textured in such a way that it won't get wrinkled if you're packing it away to take for travel. And it's just so breezy to wear, and it's nice if it's windy at the beach or if you just need to cover up from the sun. This Bsubseach swimsuit cover-up is an easy way to feel confident and comfortable while you're walking around at the pool, at the beach, or even at a resort. And that's my point of view.